Imagine answering your phone on a quiet afternoon and hearing your child's voice crying desperately for help. Before you can even process what is happening, they scream that they have been taken by a stranger, and a cold and aggressive voice cuts and demands a ransom payment. In this exact moment, your heart stops and panic sets in and your brain enters a state of pure survival mode. However, there is a terrifying reality to the modern cybercrime that every parent needs to understand. Your child is actually sitting perfectly safe in their classroom because the voice you just heard on the phone was generated entirely by AI. Welcome to the dangerous new era of virtual kidnapping, where cyber criminals use advanced voice cloning technology to orchestrate high-stake extortion scams. Hi guys, we're Connect, a social enterprise aimed at helping people become more socially literate. Today we're diving deep into how this deceptive technology works, and we will give you 5 essential tips to battle this problem. Tips 1 and 2, public footprint and the family safe word. To defend against this threat, you first need to understand how scammers gain access to your family's voice in the first place. Tip number 1 is to minimize your family's public vocal footprint online, as bad actors only need a clean 3-second audio clip of a voice to clone it perfectly. They routinely harvest this voice from public TikTok videos, Instagram reels, or even a voicemail greeting. Whenever possible, you should keep your family's social media profiles private and avoid posting videos that contains clear isolated speech from your children. Tip number 2 is to establish a family safe word. Sit down with your inner circle tonight and to agree on a secret phrase or word that remains strictly confidential. This word must be incredibly random, meaning you should never use your dog's name, your favorite football team, or any other word you have posted publicly online. If you ever receive a frantic call claiming a loved one is in danger, you must immediately demand this safe word. If the caller hesitates, makes excuses, or turns aggressive, you'll know instantly that the audio is an AI clone. Tip 3, the callback protocol. Scammers rely entirely on creating rapid psychological paralysis to control your actions. They'll demand that you stay on the line continuously, and they will threaten immediate harm if you dare hang up the phone. Tip number 3 is to implement the callback protocol. The moment you suspect foul play, while keeping the scammer on the line, use a second device such as a tablet or a computer to contact the kidnapped person directly. You can call your child's school office, text their partner, or look at real-time location sharing to verify their safety. 99% of the time, you'll quickly find out that they are completely safe and have no idea what is happening. If you don't have a second device available, you should hang up the phone immediately to call your loved one directly. Real kidnappers do not operate via 3-minute rapid-fire demand for digital bank transfers. You can break the panic cycle entirely by forcing a direct communication check on your own team. Tip 4 and 5, buying and spoofing defenses. Tip number 4 is to buy yourself time during the call by asking hyper-specific questions. AI cloning models struggle heavily with real-time dynamics improvisation when put on the spot. You should ask the caller questions that only your actual family members would know the answer to. For example, you can ask about the colour of your living room curtains or the name of your childhood stuffed animal. Watch how fast the scammer script falls apart the moment they are faced with hyper-local personal facts. Tip number 5 is to never trust the information displayed on your caller ID screen. Advanced scammers routinely use disguise spoofing softwares to manipulate phone networks. This software makes the incoming call look exactly like it originated from a trusted contact. Even if the screen displays your child's or your partner's actual name, this does not mean they are the one holding the device. You must treat every high-stakes, emotionally manipulative call with uncertainty until you verify their identity through your safe word. So if you have enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe down below, and check out our products to help you be more socially literate. Other than that, have a good day, stay safe, and bye.